guys, today currently in Times Square, New York, and we're about to go to the center of the Times Square in New York. But before that, I just wanted you to look around. This is Friday, 5:50 p.m. New York time, so it's around like the evening time. So it's quite crowded on Friday. So let's check the area, the Times Square with me. This is GAP store. Skechers. And look at this Maison Prime things. It's like a bicycle. This is the NY gift store located near the Times Square. Let's go into it. So I'm starting to look at those things, and these are not that bad, but
There you go. Anything? Oh, you sold them. Okay.
It's quite expensive. And guys, look what I found. These are the faces of President Trump's, which you can put on the dashboard of your car, and it's gonna move like that, and it's like pretty cute, but it's very pricey though. Look guys, this is good, which is like the nameplate where you can try to find your ex or your current girlfriends or boyfriends and try to give them like a present, you know, or try to keep it in your bedroom. Guys, look at this. This is quite cute for the dogs. Let's see how much is this. I really want to buy this for my kid, my house kid. $53. And after seeing the price, I let it pass. But it's very cute. These are quite cute. $32 for the dogs. Let's go up. We're gonna go to the sitting area. That is the Lion King theater. This is by the Disney as well, so you can go and see the Broadway show. You can see Marshalls here, Swatch, Levi's, and there are like so many shopping area around this Times Square as well. And guys, be aware of the pickpockets as well. There are many people around here, so be very careful with your purses and wallets. And you know there are many things like that around here where you can take pictures, but they're gonna charge you. So be careful. Here we are, guys. This is a sitting place at the Times Square, which is the most popular one. Let's go up to the top and see the view. So guys, look at this. Here we are in the Times Square of the New York City, the most famous place in the entire world. As you can see, there are like some crowds because there is a small party going on, and this is the entire view of the Times Square from the sitting area of the Times Square around 6:15 p.m. on Friday night. In the next video, I'm gonna tour around the Times Square of the restaurants and the shops where you can buy stuff and also eat around. And see ya!